Hey guys, in this video I'm showing you how to create a landing page and checkout page in GoHighLevel so you can start capturing leads and making sales, all within one powerful platform. First off, log in to your GoHighLevel account and go to Websites Greater Than Pages. Click Create New Page and choose a landing page template that fits your offer. Next, customize the page using the drag and drop editor. Add headlines, images, a lead form, and a call to action button like Buy Now or Get Started. Here's a pro tip. Once your landing page is ready, go to Checkout Pages under the same menu and create a new sales funnel page. Set up your product or service details, pricing, and payment options, like one-time payments or subscriptions. Link your landing page to the checkout page using a button or link and connect it to your funnel tracking URL so you can run ads or email campaigns to it. Don't forget to test the full flow, from landing to checkout, to make sure everything works smoothly. So should you feel lost building pages in GHL? Not anymore. Just follow these steps and start converting visitors into customers fast. Let me know in the comments if you've built a sales funnel in GoHighLevel before, and what you're selling. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe.